Hi, this is Professor Evans. This video is for EET 1214C, and in this video I'm going to go over Lab 3, which is how to measure the resistance of a resistor. To begin this lab, you'll need a packet of resistors from your lab kit. You also need to locate your DMM, or digital multimeter, on your bench, and you'll need one black alligator clip and one red alligator clip. So to begin, the digital multimeter is located right here on my bench. It might be in a different position on yours, but it looks like this. You can see at the top that it's labeled as a digital programmable multimeter. So that's your DMM for short. You're also going to need one black alligator clip and one red alligator clip. They look like this. On one end is a connector that's going to go into the DMM. On the other end are alligator clips that you can squeeze to open and then connect to a component. So to begin, you're going to connect your black alligator clip to the black COM port, that's like your ground port, and then we're going to put the red alligator clip into the red port. If you look just above the port, it tells you what it's supposed to measure. So the red port is meant to measure voltage, ohms, temperature, and decibels. The two blue ports are meant to measure amps and milliamps. So if we want to measure current, we'll connect over here. If we want to measure voltage or resistance, we'll connect over here. So to begin, we're going to turn on our DMM by pressing the red power button in the middle. Once it starts up, you'll see one of the units illuminated right here. You'll also see DC and AC. This is meant for the type of circuit that you're building. So if you're building a DC circuit, you want to have it set on DC. If you're building an AC circuit, you can press this button right here to change it to AC. In our case, we're dealing with DC circuits, so we're going to leave that set on DC. Here I can see the unit that the DMM is currently set up to measure. Right now I have a V highlighted for volts. If I want to change that, I can use the up and down arrows to change the measurement. So for example, pressing down changes it to decibels, milliamps, amps, ohms, degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit, etc. In this case, I want to measure ohms, so I'm going to set it on ohms. Now that it is set to ohms, I'm going to grab a resistor from my kit and connect it to either end of my alligator clips. So we're going to connect the resistor just like this, and we'll get a measurement. The colors on this resistor, if I can zoom in here. Okay, I can't zoom in. The colors on this resistor are blue, gray, brown, gold. Blue, gray, brown, gold. And we can see the measurement on the DMM is 0.676. Notice the unit automatically changed from ohms to kiloohms. It'll do that. So before you write down your measurement, make sure you look to see if the unit has changed. So we have 0.676 kiloohms, or approximately 676 ohms, as the measurement for this resistor. If I want to, I can change the range for the measurement. The range down here changes the amount of decimal places. So as I go to the right, I get less decimal places, and as I go to the left, I get more decimal places, or more accuracy. So you want to make sure you have at least 2 decimal places in your answer. 3 is better. So 0.68 ohms or 0.676. That's going to be a more accurate answer by increasing the range. So for Lab 3, you're simply going to repeat this process for the resistors in your kit, record what the measurement should be, record what you actually got, and then calculate the percent difference. That's it for Lab 3.